Ready to ditch the couch and dive headfirst into the gridiron? We're breaking down how to experience the thrill of college football like never before, in VR. Step 1. Gear up. You'll need a VR headset. Meta Quest 3 and PlayStation VR 2 are excellent choices for standalone or console-based options, while the HTC Vive offers a premium-powered experience. Compatibility is key, so check before you purchase. Step 2. Find your streaming home. Currently, there aren't many dedicated VR college football apps, but keep an eye out for Fox Sports VR and similar apps which sometimes offer immersive VR broadcasts. These are your best bet for live games or highlights in VR. Step 3. App exploration. Head to your headset's app store and search for sports VR experiences. While a dedicated college football app may be rare, you might find immersive sports environments or general VR streaming services that could partner with networks broadcasting college games in the future. Step 4. Imagine the immersive potential. Envision this: you're virtually on the sidelines, feeling the rumble as players crash past, and seeing the play unfold from a perspective no TV screen can offer. While the tech is still evolving, the future is bright. Keep checking those app stores and streaming services. Imagine being right in the middle of college game day. Get ready to experience college football like never before. Subscribe for more VR updates.